Good morning, class 10th students. Hope you everyone fine. Today we are just discussed on chapter 11 web applications. Today is our topic as we have to see in this, and in this we have talked about e-learning. Okay, and this comes in the commonly used online applications. Okay, students. As you know that we have discussed all the things in the previously about these chapters, but today we are just going to understand e-learning. Okay, so let us continue with this. Actually, you know that e-learning is a platform on which we have to do just Google Meet. Either we have to use the Zoom, on which we have to what take the online education from there. It is a very good and popular application right now on which you are doing that education. Education and knowledge is the most important aspect of human life, as you know very well it. Okay, e-learning is helping to make the teaching and learning process and as an active and continuous process. Active and continuous processes mean that you are just a focusly study. That if you are just not going to focusly study, then you have to failure on your achieving the goal. Okay, because the lack of the classes and lack of the things, you will be not just becoming a good scholar. Okay, so hope you everyone you understand about it. Now as you know that the various apps like WebEx, Google Meet, as I told previously, are also getting popular nowadays with the emergency of concept, okay, of online teaching or learning using various IT tools and ads like the digital board, LCD projectors, virtual classes help to giving live demo of any activity or concept can be in a realistic approach. Okay, तो ये एक तरीके हैं जिनके द्वारा आप जो है कि अच्छी तरीके से चीज़ों को कर पाते हैं, जैसा कि आप इस पिक्चर में देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, यू आर जस्ट टेकिंग ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एंड यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरियस टाइप ऑफ एस्पेक्ट्स. Now, e-governance. Okay, what is the meaning of e-governance? Actually, those work you are just going to done through the electronically with the help of a government. Either government just doing every aspects through the electronically. Okay, so electronically they are just providing the various information to us. Okay, administration of various government department using internet. Okay, so what the help governments are just redirectly connected to the internet, and through the internet we are easily access all the things those are just released by the government. Okay, so you have to just keep in mind about it. It has enabled governments to improve the living standard of the citizens. E-governance helps the various departments by way the exchanging information and giving directions. It takes a place between government to citizen G to C, and government to employee G to E, and also between the government to government G to Z departments. It helps to provide in hand information of various departments to the citizen and their doorsteps. Doorstep it at your home. गवर्नेंस मतलब गवर्नमेंट जो है आपके घर तक, ठीक है, सिटीजन के घर तक चीज़ों को मुहैया करा रही है. ठीक है. Now you have to see this in these pictures. Okay, in this picture I will tell you briefly what type the things those you are just completely understand in these pictures, like that menu municipal accounting. Okay, municipal accounting is a process in which you have to do the revenue things. You are just maintaining your expenditure, your administrative and the things you have to do that, and citizen services also you are just giving through that channel. Okay, so revenue like that, the property tax, water charges, advertisement tax, and the lot of the things those are comes in the revenue. Similarly, in the expenditures, you have to maintain the payrolls, you have to do the property and assets, and inventory and assets. Similarly, you are just comes in the administratives, and the administratives you will do the file management, and employee management, and related other things. Citizen service also you have to do the citizen portal, manage registration, marriage registrations, and what's there is the birth and death certificate, building plan, and annual. So these are the comes in your administrative, municipal accounting things. Okay, all the things are just happen with the electronically. Okay, e-government. Now we have to move the next topic. This is our next topic, and next topic is just saying e-banking. Okay, abbreviation is from the electronic banking. It means all the types of transaction those you are just done through that, at your home, electronic mode, transferring money, doing financial transaction using internet, and different modes, without going to the bank. Okay, without going to the bank, it means you do not need to go to the bank. At your home you have to do the transfer money, okay, to the person those you needed. Okay, electronic transfer transactions, you are just doing that. Internet banking is allowed to, you have to create a password, and you don't visit the bank. You have to go to the visit the bank websites and login ID and password field and do the login and things, and make the transactions very easily. Now, next thing. So, I am just going to talk about UPI. Okay, UPI, it means Unified Payment Interface. Unified Payments Interface. Today we just talk about that. As you know that. Now at time you are just getting the Aadhaar payments, and through that any CSC. Okay, so that should be just enabled so through the UPI. Okay, actually Aadhaar payment just EPS is just doing that, but now UPI is also common that, you are just made the transaction very easily to one place to another place, like that a phone pay, either Paytms are using right now to doing to the UPI transactions, and UPI ID you have to create it in this, and you will be easily to use of transferring the money. Okay, now you know that it is an instant real payment systems, developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. It will be just a department of the government, in which sections all the transactions of permissions are given by that. It means अगर हम पैसा ले पा रहे हैं आधार पेमेंट से या यूपीआई से, तो एनसीपीआई, ठीक है, यही गवर्न करती है, यही प्रोटोकॉल क्रिएट करती है कि कैसे आपको पैसे ट्रांसफ़र होने हैं, कैसे पैसे ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होने हैं। मतलब टोटल का टोटल मतलब जिम्मेदारी इसी की होती है। मनी डज नॉट इन्वॉल्व कैश इन फिजिकल फॉर्म, मतलब एक व्यक्ति दूसरे व्यक्ति को पैसा भेज रहा है, लेकिन किसी को भी जो है कि पैसा तो मिल गया, लेकिन उसमें किसी प्रकार का डोमेस्टिक अमाउंट नहीं मिला उसको, जैसे कि घरेलू खर्चा, घरेलू पैसा नहीं मिला, जैसे फिजिकल हुआ, ठीक है, उस टाइप का पैसा नहीं मिला। द इंटरफेस इज रेगुलेटेड बाय द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया इज जस्ट regulating this services to just provide to the NCPI. They are just doing the transfer funds between two banks and accounts on mobile platform. For example, Bhim, Bharat Interface for Money, and Phone Pay, Paytms, as I previously talked. Now, we have talked about today's online examinations. Online examination is a platform on which you have to done your examination at your home very well on through the mobile phone, either laptop, okay, either tablets. As I previously, you are just understand it. Yesterday, I just given a link. On that link, you have done the transaction on it. Okay. Transaction, it means you have done in that things. Right now, very ERP softwares are developed recently times to cover almost all their jobs done by them manually. For example, taking regular as test, homework, uploads, online copy correction, sending the reports, correction of copy, Online examination generates immediate results and save lot of times, efforts and natural resources. मतलब दुनिया भर का जो कागज उगज का खर्च सारा बच जाता है और आप इजीली घर बैठे ऑनलाइन एग्जामिनेशन देते हैं, रिजल्ट भी आपको आसानी से मिल जाता है. ओके, सो एज यू सी इन दिस फिगर, नाउ वी हैव टॉक अबाउट दैट टुडेज थिंग्स. सपोज करो कि आपको कहीं जाना है, ठीक है, तो अब कहीं जाना है तो आप किसी न किसी चीज़ का यूज़ करेंगे. ई रिजर्वेशन इज ए portal. Reservation is a process in which you have to just take a bus ticket, take a airplane ticket, take a aeroplane ticket, and then there is a railway ticket also, you get a movies ticket also, and hotel also. We can easily see that all the things we are just done through the e-reservation process. Okay, so using e-ticketing e-reservation facility, a user can be check availability of seats in a bus, train and aircraft, and also book tables of restaurant rooms of the tables. Indian Railways are authorized a website irctc.co.in, that is governmentally published to the citizens. They are just visit and just book tickets for the traveling from one place to another place. So these are all the things, those are today's talk to you. Okay, hope you everyone understands, and carefully just watch it again if you are just not